What's up guys, it's Owen here from the Tech Infos, back with another video. So today guys, I have got for you all something really special. It's the boAt Stone BRIXX. Now I know that many of you guys have a lot of questions regarding this speaker, especially because of the price. It almost feels too good for the price, and it feels like, you know, the company boAt has definitely done something. They have skimmed on something to keep this price too low. It feels too good to be true, and that's the reason guys I have purchased this product, and I have been using this product for a couple of weeks now to understand what are the areas that the company skimmed on, or whether it's actually too good for the price. Now the general price in which the product is available is actually 1400 rupees, but you can get it for 1100 rupees in lightning deals, and you will get the lightning deal most of the time. So I'll provide a Best Buy link in the description as always guys. Now before I just tell you the things that I liked about this product and I didn't like about this product, I would like to just go to the unboxing table and showcase you what's actually inside it, and there are some interesting facts that you definitely need to know. So let's get started guys. So this is the box in which the boAt Stone BRIXX comes in. As you can see, it's a simple cardboard box with some specifications stated on the side, along with some other not so important details. What's interesting is that there's no mention of price of the speaker in the box, which is kind of strange. Anyways, let's open up the box and have a first look of the product. Now if you follow my channel, you already know that I have tested several boAt speakers and they have never really disappointed me. Anyways, so this is the boAt Stone BRIXX guys, as I mentioned previously. So over the front you get dual speakers which jointly provide you a 8-watt output underneath a metal mesh, of course. On the top you'll find a volume rocker, play and pause button, and also a power button. On the back you'll find the aux port, micro USB port for charging, and a micro SD card slot alongside with the charging LED indicator and a microphone. It's really nice to see a micro SD card slot, but not really happy with the charging port still being micro USB. Anyways, on the side there's absolutely nothing, and finally on the bottom you get two rubberized pads that hold the speaker from slipping. The overall build quality of the speaker is good. It has a very subtle matte finish to it, though it's worth mentioning that the speaker is not water and dust resistant, so you definitely should keep it away from water and dust. Generally, Stone speakers are water and dust resistant and rugged, but this is not something that you find in the speaker. But honestly, I'm not disappointed at all. Overall, the quality of the audio is good too. Let me just show play some audio samples so that you guys can have a rough idea.
Burning bridges to the ground, so take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we cross, dropped off the scene that side, wishing to have one more fight left in me. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me.
So guys, I hope the audio sample gave you a rough idea of how the overall quality is of the speaker. But anyways guys, it's time for me to conclude and talk about the good things and bad things about this product. So let's get started with that. Okay guys, let's now start off with the pros of this product. Now the first thing that I really liked about this speaker was actually the battery life. Now I was getting battery life of 7+ hours, which is actually amazing for a 8-watt speaker. Now it has a 1800 mAh battery, which on paper doesn't sound a lot, but honestly I was also actually skeptical about the battery life, whether it will last long enough for me to listen adequate music. But it turns out that it can actually last more than 7+ hours, considering the fact that you are using the speaker somewhere around in the range of 70 to 80% volume. And also guys, the charging time is good enough. It charges within 3 to 3.5 hours. Don't expect it to charge in 1 hour or 50 minutes. Like nowadays charging times are crazy. Like people are inventing supercharge, charge, God knows what next will come. Xiaomi is expected to launch 100-watt charger, so we don't know what technology we'll get in future. But as of now guys, this speaker can charge in just 3 to 3.5 hours, which in my point of view is good enough. Now the next thing that I really liked about this product is the loudness. Now for this price guys, I don't believe there exists any other speaker which can compete with its loudness. It is actually a lot loud, like it's really loud. Now for the same price, just 100 rupees less, the boAt Stone 200 is available, which has just a 3-watt speaker, and this has whooping 8-watt speaker. So definitely something, if you are definitely something worth considering if you are someone who likes loud music. Now another thing that I liked about this speaker is the build quality. Now it is built really well for the price guys. You're just paying 1100 rupees, or if your luck is not that good, for 1400 rupees. So overall the quality of the product is good. Now if you're someone who has used boAt Stone series speakers guys, you are acquainted with the rugged design. I know that these speakers comes with IP certification and also water resistant stuff like that, but this speaker doesn't come with such things. Instead it is a plain simple solid build plastic speaker and with a metal mesh on the front. Now why I said it's a good thing, now you need to understand this. If it was a IPX certified speaker and also it had a rugged design, might be that this speaker would have costed you somewhere in the range of 2500 to 3000 rupees. So this is something you should definitely keep in mind while creating a judgment about this product. I personally feel that they have done a good thing by cutting down on this. Now this is, I believe, the place where they managed to keep the price down guys, and it's a good decision in my point of view that the company has taken. Now let's go ahead and talk about the cons about this product. So guys, talking about the cons, honestly there's not much to talk about. The only thing I would have wanted is a USB Type-C port, but instead it comes with a micro USB. Like come on boAt, like you launched this product on the mid of 2019 and you're providing micro USB. But I understand like they are trying to keep the product's price as low as possible, and they have successfully made a very balanced speaker, which I personally feel is something that is more important than nitpicking. But anyways guys, I'll be open-minded and conclude that this speaker is something that you should actually purchase, but this is not for everyone. This is something that you need to understand. Considering the price guys, this is something really good. Now if you're someone who is looking for instrumental distinctions, vocal distinctions, and God knows what in this price, this is not the speaker you should go for, my friend. And I don't believe that you can get a speaker with such clarity, such insane distinctions at that price. And this is something that is good enough for most of the people. And if in case you have used boAt speakers, they are more of a bass centric speaker guys. So if you are someone who likes the bass, who likes the loudness and the punchiness, this is something that you should go for. So that's all for this video guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. It's Oin from the Tech Info signing off guys. Have a nice day. Peace. See you on the next one.